How to say house in Thai. Ban. A ban is a house or it's a home. Ban.
บ้านบ้าน
บ้านบ้าน
Let's listen to Kun Daisy use that word ban in a sentence, which you might actually hear her say if you're the stalker type, because it means kun rujak ban chun da yang ai. How did you know where I live, or how do you know the location of my house?
คุณรู้จักบ้านฉันได้ยังไงคุณรู้จักบ้านฉันได้ยังไงคุณรู้จักบ้านฉันได้ยังไง
There's a sentence. How did you know where my house is? This is part of a bigger lesson, obviously, that's over on my website, talkthai.today.com. The word for house in Thai is ban, falling tone. Ban.